Need to restart Windows quickly without going through the Start menu. Command Prompt gives you a simple way to restart your PC, add a delay, cancel a scheduled restart, and even restart another computer when you have the proper permissions. In this guide, let's see how it works. First, open Windows Search and type Command Prompt or CMD. Select the app to open it. For a normal restart of your own computer, you can usually use a standard Command Prompt window. If you're working with another computer or restricted system settings, administrator permissions may be required. The simplest restart command is shutdown/r. Type it into CMD and press Enter. The /r option tells Windows to restart after shutting down the current session. So, before running it, save your work and close anything important. You can also delay the restart using the /t option. For example, shutdown/r/t60 schedules a restart after 60 seconds. This gives you time to finish what you're doing before Windows restarts. You can replace 60 with the number of seconds you need. Changed your mind. If the restart was scheduled with a timer, you can cancel it using shutdown/a. Type the command before the timer expires, and Windows will abort the pending shutdown or restart. This is a handy command to remember if you set the timer by mistake. If an application is preventing the restart, you can use the /f option to force running applications to close. For example, shutdown/r/f. Be careful with this one because unsaved work may be lost. Whenever possible, close your applications normally before using the force option. Windows can also send a restart command to another computer with the /m option, provided you have the required network access and permissions. For example, shutdown/r/m followed by a computer name. This is mainly useful for system administrators managing computers on a network, so don't use it on a device unless you're authorized to do so. And that's how to restart Windows using CMD. Use /r for an immediate restart, /t for a delay, /a to cancel a scheduled restart, and /f only when you need to force applications closed. So next time you need a quick reboot, CMD has you covered.